In the world of tech news, brought to you by Nerds in a Flash. Listen, Lady Gaga's benefit concert may be grabbing a lot of headlines, but Alphabet's subsidiary, Wing, they don't need Lizzo or Paul McCartney to raise some money during a pandemic. All they need is drones. Yeah, Wing said yesterday that its drone delivery service is adding vendors and new items as it experiences a dramatic uptick in customers. Last April, Wing became the United States' first drone operator to be an FAA-certified company as an air carrier, and in October it rolled out a test delivery program in Christiansburg, Virginia. Deliveries have more than doubled in that area, according to a press release. And the company partnered with FedEx and Walgreens and several local bakeries, including the local bakery Mockingbird Cafe. And they say the social distancing has fueled massive demand for delivery, but the work exposes human workers to, the COVID-19 and other health risks, of course. Now, this is a moment for the coronavirus immune alternatives like autonomous vehicles and drones to prove they can save the day. That's what tech experts are talking about this morning.
Yeah, real need. Great testing time for that.
Yeah, I got that story on my LinkedIn page at Todd Jeffries.